Welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. So today we had a little bit of flash crash here. Super normal. I'm, in my opinion, right now in this phase in the market cycle, dips are for buying. So personally, I am buying. Still, I'm going to buy tokens until Bitcoin trades above 70k and ETH trades above 5k, which are basically where I got those numbers. They are the last all-time highs of ETH and Bitcoin. So when we cross the last all-time highs, that's when the euphoria phase starts. And I don't really want to buy tokens in euphoria phase. I want to sell. So that's why I'm looking to scale down the buying, and I'm looking to only switch to selling. Ultimately, I'm looking to sell, starting to dollar cost average sell when ETH is trading above 10k. Okay. So the reason I'm buying, by the way, gaming coins, and I have a mega bags of low cap gaming coins. I bought whole 2023. I bought gaming coins, and if you want to see my gaming portfolio, check out the links in description. And also, if you want to see my base meme coin portfolio that I'm building right now, still, links in description too, so you can see that. And I think it's huge. Like I have made like over 40k profit in just 30 days, and I think that meme coins will keep printing. So it is just extra money. My main money that will come. Is the low cap gaming portfolio that I have built in 2023, and I believe that those peaks will start pumping fairly soon here. Okay, meme coins, this is just like extra money that I'm doing for it. Super amazing. Okay, anyway, so the reason, by the way, let's actually look at first. So Bitcoin halving 38 days, around that range. April, so in 1 month or so, boom. ETH Dengun upgrade 7 days. So what this means is ETH Dengun upgrade is layer 2 gas fees will be a lot lower. For example, base Coinbase layer 2 gas fees will go from like today I paid like from 90 cents to 80 cents gas fees. They're going to be like 0.008 gas fees. So layer 2s are where the bull run, the main volume will be in bull run, because there will be so many new people coming, and the ETH mainnet and the main nets are super clogged up too much. Like right now, if you are doing ETH swaps, I think it's already $100 per swap, and we haven't even started yet. So they're going to be like $1,000 swaps. Not good, right? So how you get around it is go to this layer 2. So Coinbase is layer 2, and they are looking to send all their Coinbase centralized exchange traffic to Base via smart wallets. There's a good cast from Jesse Polka that I shared today in the Base Miko Millionaires private Telegram group. So I'm going to show you and read this out loud right now, because this is huge. So Jesse Polka, prediction: by end of year, 90% of active on-chain users will use smart wallets. How? We're going to onboard tens of millions of new users. So, and what is smart wallet? So basically, people are on Coinbase centralized app, and they are on layer 2. They don't even know it. I think so. That's kind of like they are in the smart wallet is basically they are using layer 2s, and they don't even know it. So and so that's, I think, that the total value locked on Base is going to just increasing. If you look at layer 2s, they've been just on constant uptrend. I talked about this back in 2022 with optimism, OP summer 2022, and then 2023 Base summer, So you can see it's becoming reality. Okay, and I think we are still early. Look at Base total value locked. So I got in Base here. So I didn't buy all my coins here. I didn't buy the exact button. I just started buying when I understood the opportunity well enough, and I've looked at Base to this whole time, and then here I was okay. Now I'm taking action, and right now, 1 month later, boom, mega profit. So it's not like you need to buy the exact bottom always. You of course you want to buy as low as possible, but you want to have a range. You know what I'm saying? You can't wait to buy something. Wait for the bottom and then buy with all your backs. You don't want to blow your load like that. You want to dollar cost averaging it at good prices. I've been reading Warren Buffett's the book about Warren Buffett and the interpretation of financial statements, the search for the company with a durable competitive advantage. This is a very, very good book. Highly recommend for everybody to look. It's very easy to read. It talks about like how Warren Buffett looks at businesses, and he also talks about multiple things that I've been kind of like taking those lessons and implementing them in the crypto, and experimenting with them. So yeah, I think it's going to be huge. Base is going to be huge. That's why I'm buying Base meme coins, and right now the cycle has been moving super fast. Let's see if we get deeper dips. If we have crazy dips, I'm ready for it. But if we don't have, if we go up only, I'm ready for it. Whatever the case right now, I'm good. I've been buying at I have bags, you know what I'm saying? So what you want to do if you want to make a lot of money, not financial advice, you want to find something that you have conviction in, you have hypothesis in, and you kind of like have a second level thinking of where people will go, and you are buying it right now, not the like stupid prices, you know? And then you just dollar cost averaging in, and then you wait, and then you sell when the price go up. That's the strategy that I'm using. There's multiple strategies. There's, for example, one strategy that you buy. There's multiple strategies. I have tested money strategies, but this is, in my opinion, has the best strategy. And also, if you're new into crypto, I would personally just go with 1 to 3 conviction picks and just go with big size. So when you're buying, by the way, tokens, try building size because size matters. When you hit like 10x to 100x, let me show you what I mean. So if you put, for example, put 1k something and you hit 10x, that's $10,000. But if you would have put $10,000 or let's say $11,000 and that's a 10x, you already are 100k. And then if you happen to, let me show you 100k and you happen to get 100x, on these low caps. Okay, that's 100k. That's nice, right? But if you went with 10k and you hit 100x, okay, that's already 1 million. So when you build more bigger position on a couple of conviction picks, okay? I built the low cap portfolio with I have so many picks in the low cap gaming portfolio because I wanted to test that hypothesis. It's not for everybody. I have a genius kind of like a mentor who does it. I have 2 mentors, crypto mentors. One is he has insane amounts of positions. He has insane amounts of wallets. He just is all over the place. All he does is he's like this genius guy. And he has been in crypto for 7 to 8 years and stuff like that. And he's incredibly smart and rich. And then I have the other mentor who is just buys 1 to 10 coins and doesn't do anything. He just buys them at low prices and then he just waits and sells for 10 to 20 to 40 axes. 10 to maybe 10 to 30 axes, right? Yeah. So in 2022 and 2023, I started doing my other mentor doing buying a lot of positions, but I found out that I have basically too many positions right now. First I thought, okay, I can do this, but as I kept adding them, I have seen that these startups, they move so freaking fast. So for example, a couple of the tokens I have, they are migrating they are migrating the chain, they are doing this chain. I constantly need to do something with the tokens, and that's too much for me, in my opinion. I don't want to do that. It's too much hassle. I want to buy a coin and then just freaking hold that and then sell when it's up. Okay, so that's realization that I had. Okay, so not too many positions because it becomes too much to handle. Even if you have the money to do it, it becomes too much work. So it's just better to go with the 1 to 10, how much money you have, and then just build size with them, and then you can actually follow the projects, all the updates. Because once you have way too many projects, it becomes way too hard. And I've been going super hard in this bear market. So I thought that, okay, I'm just going to bite the bullet and just freaking grind through it and keep up with it. But now I've been seeing the longer you have the picks, the more they change. They just do this 180. It's good to your projects to do this. If you read the book Lean Startup, you want to basically pivot fast. In this fast environment, you basically need to pivot fast. So it's great. But for me, investors, it's just too, it's just too much work for me. And I'm, by the way, and some people, and for my mentor, he likes that. He's built for that. That's what he does. That's how he finds the edge. That's how he does it. But for me, I found out it's not the investment method that I want to do. And if you look at Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Peter Lynch, Howard Marks, they all have their different investing strategies. So I'm basically building my investment method here, as I'm I've been in crypto since 2017. So it takes a little bit. This guy, I will be investing here hundreds of years. So literally, I'm looking to be here in the market for a long time. So it's not I need to learn this stuff also. So what I have learned, I want to share also with you. Okay. So what I'm saying, because if you have, for example, in war, if you have a general who is just reading books and then just saying those things and never has any battlefield scars, You basically don't want that general. You want the general who rushes into the front, basically at the front. The general rushes first, checks does the whole thing, and then reports back what he has learned. That's kind of like general that I would want. And I try, those are the type of mentors I want to do. So that's why when I'm doing things, I'm getting these like, okay, I made this mistake, okay, and it just shows that I'm just doing stuff that is out of my comfort zone, and I'm testing, experimenting. My multimillionaire mentor says that the more you experiment, the better. Because if you look at like the crypto, there is insane amounts of experiments going on, and that's why there's things that pop off and that are super good, but a lot of like doesn't. For example, if you look at business, they do, let's say that business does 10 things, okay, maybe not 9 of them fare horribly, but the one that does well basically skyrockets the business. So for me, investing, I think that investing is the same way. Like I do these things, not everything works, but once I get those that work, they will just crazy work for me, okay. And also every year I get better and better and better. I get better all the time, okay. And so far I've been able to just keep making more and more money, okay, and getting smarter and smarter and smarter. So in the long term, I know I'm just going to keep winning, and that's why I follow the Charlie Munger Warren Buffett method. I'm not taking any leverage. I'm only buying with money I can afford to lose, okay. I'm only buying with money I can afford to lose. So that's why I'm fine. Like if the Bitcoin dips 30K right now, I don't care. I have the hypothesis on my picks, and no matter what the market does in the short term, the volatility, I'm fine because my hypothesis is still the same. It's just market volatility, and if it goes down like crazy, I buy because I can take advantage of people's panic selling, and if it goes up, I will sell, and I will take advantage of people's euphoria. Okay, so you just have to condition yourself like that. So that's what I've been doing, and I'm just going to absolutely crush this bull run, and I see myself making $10 million profit. Okay, so anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more, check out my more YouTube videos. I have a great video about base and meme coin hypothesis. I think that's a great video where I cover that, and also multiple other videos. And also join my email list if you are not still part, because in the email list, if you are new to crypto, I think that my emails will help you a lot, because I will show like now, okay, these ranges I'm buying, I'm just boom, and I will buy them myself. I buying. And when it hits this, okay, I'm looking to sell. And then when it's this, I will email you, I'm selling today. This I'm selling today, selling. And then you can kind of like see how I'm operating the market. And I think that that's super valuable, because not a lot of people, do that. If you go on YouTube in the euphoric phase, everybody is saying, buy, this is going up, buy. In euphoric phase, you don't want to buy, you want to sell, okay? Everybody else is buying. That's why the market is going up. So you need to sell, okay? That is the biggest hurdle that we have next. Do you take profits? When do you sell? Because right now, if you have been buying the bottom with me, I mean, if you just hold, you're going to probably most likely make a lot of money, right? That's just the reality here. You have bought when everybody else had to sell. So now you need to sell when everybody else is buying, okay? So I will keep you updated. Not a financial advice. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next videos. See you at the emails, and peace out. Thank you. Boom. Okay. Thank you.